Om Namah Shivaya. We begin the practice of 10 minutes yoga for common ailments. You can practice regularly. Slowly and gently come to Vajrasana. ವಜ್ರಾಸನಕ್ಕೆ ಬಂದು ಕುಳಿತುಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಅಡಾಪ್ಟ್ ಚಿನ್ ಮುದ್ರಾ. Observe the breathing. Feel the tip of the finger, nerve impulse. Let us chant 3 times Omkara with deep breathing. Take a deep breath. Now very slowly and gently adopt Namaskar Mudra. Prayer. Om Sahana Bhavatu Sahanau Bhunaktu Sahaviryam Karavavahai Tejasvinavaditamastu Ma Vidvishavahai. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Very slowly take back the arms. Hold the right wrist with the left. Stretch the shoulders. Very slowly exhale, bend the trunk. Offer the salutations. Inhale, slowly come up. Release the arms. Slowly and gently come to Tadasana. ನಿಧಾನವಾಗಿ ನಿಂತುಕೊಳ್ಳುವ ಭಂಗಿಗೆ ಬನ್ನಿ. We begin the practice of loosening Sukshma Vyayamas. Keep both the palms on the waist. We begin the practice of neck movements. Neck bending forward and backward. Exhale, slowly bend the neck forward. Touch your chin. Inhale, slowly and gently go back. Bend your neck back. Exhale, slowly and gently bend the neck forward 3 rounds. Inhale, go back. Exhale, slowly bend your neck forward so that you can press the chin. Inhale, come to center. Exhale, bend your neck right so that the right ear touches the right shoulder. Inhale, come up. Exhale, bend the neck left. Inhale, slowly come to center. Exhale, bend the neck right. Inhale, slowly come up. Exhale, bend the neck left. Inhale, slowly come to center. Exhale, bend the neck right. Inhale, come to center. Exhale, bend the neck left. Slowly inhale, come to center. Turn the neck right. Twist your neck so that the chin is aligned with the shoulder. Inhale, come to center. Exhale, slowly turn the neck left. Inhale, slowly come to center. Exhale, slowly turn the neck right. Inhale, come to center. Exhale, slowly turn the neck left. Inhale, come to center. Exhale, turn the neck right. Inhale, slowly come to center. Exhale, turn the neck left. Slowly come to center. Release the arms. Fingers on the shoulders. Very slowly rotate your necks. Slowly loosen the shoulder. Rotate the shoulders. Forward movement 3 rounds. And backward movements 3 rounds. Practice slowly loosening the shoulders. Do in the reverse order. Very slowly along with the breathing. Shoulder rotation. 3 rounds of practice. Loosening the shoulders. Stop the practice. Apart the legs half feet distance. Now raise your arms. Trunk movement. Palms facing each other. Twist your trunk right. Very slowly and gently. Once again, bring back. Twist your trunk left. Very slowly and gently come to center. Twist your trunk right. Slowly come to center. Twist your trunk left. Slowly come to center. Twist your trunk right. Slowly and gently come to center. Twist your trunk left. Slowly and gently come to center. Stop the practice. Release the arms. Come to Tadasana. Join the heels. Tadasana practice. Apart the legs half feet distance. Now raise your both the arms. Stretch the shoulders up. Palms facing each other. Be there, relax. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Slowly and gently turn the palms and drop the arms. Now join the heels, Ardha Chakrasana. Very slowly and gently slide the palms back. Take the support, bend your trunk back, join the heels. Bend as much as possible. Push your abdomen forward. Bend the neck and relax. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Very slowly and gently come up. Bend your trunk forward. Pada Hastasana. Slide the palms down. Hold the ankles. Be there and relax. Don't move the body. Push your head inside the shoulders and relax. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Slowly and gently come up. Relax. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Slowly come to Vajrasana. ನಿಧಾನವಾಗಿ ವಜ್ರಾಸನಕ್ಕೆ ಬನ್ನಿ. ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟೀಸ್ ಶಶಂಕಾಸನ. ರೈಸ್ ಯುವರ್ ಆರ್ಮ್ಸ್ ಅಪ್. ಎರಡೂ ತೋಳುಗಳನ್ನು ಮೇಲೆ ಎತ್ತಿ. ಬೆಂಡ್ ಯುವರ್ ಟ್ರಂಕ್ ಬ್ಯಾಕ್ and exhale. Bend the trunk forward. Rest your elbows on the palms and relax. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhale slowly and gently come up. Raise your arms. Exhale, release the arms. Very slowly unfold the right leg and the left leg. Stretch your legs. Lie on the back. Very slowly and gently come to Pavana Muktasana. Very slowly and gently bend your right knee and the left knee. Hold your legs and gently, if possible, try to touch the chin and very slowly be there. Relax. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Slowly and gently go back. Stretch your legs. Come to carpet. Very slowly and gently relax in the position. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Join the legs. Very slowly and gently fold the left knee. Take back the right arm, turn right side. Slowly and gently come to Sukhasana or Siddhasana, whichever is most convenient. To continue the practice of Nadi Shodhana Pranayama, very slowly and gently keep your spine upright. Take the position Nasikagra Mudra. Close the right nostril. ಬಲಮೂಗಿನ ಒರಳೆಯನ್ನು ಮುಚ್ಚಿ. Inhale through left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Close the left. Exhale. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhale through right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale through left. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhale through left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Close the left. Exhale. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhale. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Close the right. Exhale. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhale through left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Close the left. Exhale. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhale through right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Close the right. Exhale. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Stop the practice. Close the eyes. Now relax. Observe the breathing. Do meditation on breathing. 30 counts. Watch the breathing and relax. 30, 29, 28, 27, 26, 25, 24, 23, 22, 21, 20, 19, 18, 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now very slowly and gently do the affirmation, do the sankalpa. I am the powerful body, I am the strongest man, my immune system is boosting up, my health is improving, I am the powerful soul. Do the affirmations regularly, and with the meditation we conclude this short practice, yoga practices for common ailments. Very slowly and gently come to Vajrasana, stretching the legs. Slowly and gently come to Vajrasana. Padap Namaskara Mudra. We'll chant 3 times Shanti mantra. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Very slowly and gently take back the arms. Hold the right wrist with the left, touch the shoulder, raise your head, exhale slowly and gently, bend the trunk and offer the salutations. Inhale slowly and gently, come up, release the arms and rub the palms. Massage over the eyeballs, cheeks and chin. Slowly and gently open the eyes. Thank you and Dhanyavad.